I'll show him how to roll up Christmas lights. Oh hey! Yat Ebene, good morning, and welcome to Daybreak Warriors Navajo Word of the Day. In today's video, we're going to learn how to say, I'm rolling it up, as if it was a cord into a ball or onto a spool. To say that in Navajo, you say, Náhinismas. Náhinismas. I'm rolling it up. If I'm saying I'm rolling up Christmas lights like onto my arm, I would say, Keshmishko indadil tlegi Náhinismas. Keshmishko indadil tlegi Náhinismas. If I'm telling you to roll it up, I would say, Náhinismas. Náhinismas. If I'm telling you to reel in your fishing rod, I would say, Slobechahatlehe Náhinismas. Slobechahatlehe Náhinismas. If I'm telling you to reel in your rod or else you'll lose your fish, I would say, Tschinko Náhinismas. Slo nitsa bada dolwith. Tschinko Náhinismas. Slo nitsa bada dolwith. Bada dolwith means it'll come off, meaning off the hook. If he or she is rolling it up, then you would say, Náhinismas. Náhinismas. To say, Tamasida is winding up the vacuum cord, you would say, Tamasida tzilze nayilahe bitlol Náhinismas. Tamasida tzilze nayilahe bitlol Náhinismas. Now, if I'm winding up something into loops, I would say, Náhinsó. Náhinsó. If I'm saying I'm winding up the extension cord into loops, I would say, that's in English, Bedilt ehe Náhinsó. That's in English, Bedilt ehe Náhinsó. If you're rolling it into loops, then I would say, Náhinismas. Náhinismas. If I'm telling you to wind up the garden hose into loops, I would say, Jet Razi Tobi Inline Náhinismas. Jet Razi Tobi Inline Náhinismas. If he or she is rolling it into loops, I would say, Náhinismas. Náhinismas. If Ty was rolling up a rope into loops, I would say, Ty cloth Náhinismas. Ty cloth Náhinismas. And that is today's Navajo word of the day, Náhinismas. I'm rolling it up, or Náhinsó. I'm rolling it up into loops. Have a nice day.